Why didn't Jesus pray for Judas, but pray for Peter? I'm a pastor, and I've been shepherding for at least 30 years. One of the things I'll tell you is this. There are 3 ways of presenting your petitions to God. One is you go to God as your friend. To me, say, only you're fine. Then one is going to God as a father. I mean, my favorite one, most often, is when you go to God as a judge. Because when I'm going to God as a friend, God knows my heart. I'm cool. But you, the one I'm going to talk to God about, I don't know your heart. If you look at Peter and Judas, you see that anything Judas wanted to do, he told Jesus, I'll save you. And Jesus said, you can't save me. As for Judas, anything he wanted to do was in the head. And Jesus could know, but Jesus could not tell him. And none of the disciples even knew that when Jesus even told him, whatsoever you want to do, do it. Other disciples thought he was telling him to take the basket and go and do shopping for their next meal. But only Jesus and Judas knew that he was going to betray. So I've seen this thing before where I present cases to God. When you have, let's take it that you get a lawyer to present your case to a judge. One of the things you must do is to make sure that you confess all your sins to the lawyer. I did a killing. It is true, I stole the money. Then the lawyer looks for a constitutional clause that he goes to the judge to appeal. So if you lie to your shepherd, and your shepherd is presenting your case to the judge. So there are people, I have children around me, and when I pray for them, sometimes when you are praying for them, demons even beat you for praying for them. So you don't know this. It's like going to court, and your opponent lawyer has information on your client that you don't know. And when you say, my Lord, he's innocent. This girl is a virgin. She's never slept with anybody before, my Lord. I have the evidence and everything there. And then the other lawyer comes, my Lord, my learned colleague doesn't know what he's talking. This is the live evidence of the video that was taking place. Let's watch. Now you see that your lawyer is super confused. He doesn't know what to tell God. Because if I knew that you were guilty, I would have gone to God and said, Lord, show mercy. But because you were lying or you were saying whatever, when I went to God, I said, God, my client is innocent. He has not even, if he doesn't even have a girlfriend, he doesn't even have a boyfriend. Lord, he's living for you. He's living holy for you. And the judge knows the truth, but the judge can't say anything. He said, open that lawyer. You two, what do you have to say? Your advocate. Jesus didn't want any wahala. So he prayed for Peter. But for Judas, in case you present a case and they bring evidence against you, Jesus, what will you do? The way you dress, you look like you're a millionaire. So when we check your tithe report, we get confused. The way you dress and the kind of cars you drive, and we see your tithe is 2 Ghana cedis a month, we wonder. So we wonder what kind of prayers you must present to God. And we see those who are wearing Chalawete paying 1,000 Ghana cedis a month. And we also wonder how these people are also making. I hear you are not here at all.